on top of my asthenosphere. And we figured before that if we kind of sort of make it a little bit like a depression in the middle, we give it a little bit more of a thin spot, you know, that weak spot in the crust. And then here comes my ocean. I'm going to try to leave the floaters this time, the floaty pieces of sand. Do you see these floaters?
Yeah, I saw that.
It did help a while ago when I had a piece of wax because you could actually see these pieces of wax will float. I want to see if we can see the convection current, you know what I'm saying?
We're doing another one.
So here we go. These are going to be boats out in the ocean that are going to get killed with the volcano. We'll just have some boats out here. In Iceland, that's exactly what happens. When fishing boats were out in the ocean, they were fishing, and all of a sudden they saw this black smoke, and they went racing over there because they thought that somebody's boat had caught on fire. And it was a volcano erupting, and it was a volcano like Vesuvius that was erupting, creating a brand new island. And the island is named, I can't remember, why can't I think of this? I just showed a video of it to my 5th grade class the other day because we were always done faster than everybody else in that class.
5th grade class?
5th period class. Anyway, it's right off the coast of Iceland. All right, so hopefully we'll get another volcano before the bell rings. I'm seeing a little bit of action. See a little bit of bubbling going on? Oh, that's the shadow of the little dust particles on the top.
It was up there. It was up there.
Move, Ryan!
Move, Ryan.
Remember, I put a bunch of floaters in here, so some of this stuff you're seeing might be floaters. Uh-oh. You see how the convection current is sucking these guys in? Makes me think there's something going on here. Moving! Oh my God, who's touching? Oh, nobody is. What is it, Reed? Oh, I bet Bun did that. Can't make my table go. It will burp a little bit. It's on the outside. We should have all, taken bets on where it's going to come out on this one, huh? That'd be pretty cool.
Move, April, your head's in the way.
So can you predict where volcanoes going to erupt on the crust of the earth? Not really. If you could measure the lithosphere, you could probably give a good, you could probably tell a little bit about where they might be. They also believe that there is a super volcano just like this one, Demetrius. They also believe that there's a supervolcano just like this underneath most of North America. Here it comes.
Why does it look like that?
If you can see it from the side, it looks like a mushroom because it's connected to the sand. It's coming up like a fountain from the sand.
There it is. It looks so weird.
What I was saying was, there is a weak spot underneath this continent, right underneath Montana, Wyoming. Y'all have heard of Yellowstone National Park, right, with the geysers? They believe that that is a super volcano under there, and if it ever decides to blow its top, please stop so I don't have to yell. If it ever decides to blow, about a third of the United States will be completely gone. It is that big of a volcano. So I hope to be dead by then, otherwise we will be dead then, just saying. So anyway, but that's what they think. So this one's just going straight. I wonder if it's because it's not as level.
I think it's on the edge.
I have a pan underneath it, so that at least I thought ahead. Coming after the fishing boat. Why doesn't he go away? Your oars are not working? Your motor died? What happened?
Oh,
And that happens too. You see the sand caving in? As the wax comes out, it's leaving a depression. And so the sand is filling in that hole.
it's quicksand.
Can you see it? Yeah. It's, what do you call that? Avalanche! Avalanche! It's pretty cool, isn't it? And it's also kind of cool. I wish you could see the colors as good as I can see them. The wax that has solidified is the lighter color. The hotter wax is the darker right? So just with lava, if it's bright yellow, it's hotter. If it's turning black, it's cooling off, right?
Wait.
As it solidifies.
You said that backwards.
No, I didn't. Lava comes out bright yellow, hot, 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 hot. As it cools, it turns black.
Okay,
Same
so
thing.
this is backwards? Kind of, because the light. It's
Oh,
light.
yes.
Okay, that's why I was.
I'm sorry, yes, you're right.
Just watch that little bone in money.
This is a new generation. We want everyone to die. Back in my day, oh no, the boat's gonna get swallowed, and you're like, kill him, kill him, kill him. Y'all are so different. Good Lord. I did boil some eggs because I had somebody going, I don't understand. If the crust is going under, why doesn't it leave a gaping hole over here? It's like, well, that's a good question. So I took an egg, and I decided to, I didn't crack it on Randall's head, but I thought about it just then. And I, dang, how old are these eggs? There we go. So I've got cracks in my crust, right? I have cracks, and I can diverge them apart, and if I converge them, you see how it bulges a little bit? And then when I relax back, it goes the same. So that convergence is going to get subducted under, and just like this, if you lose some, like subduct under, what's it going to end up doing? It's going to burn back up again as a volcano somewhere. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Do y'all remember the water cycle? Yes. Yeah. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. This is the rock cycle, guys. You've got rock, it gets subducted, gets remelted, gets burnt back up again. It's all the same rock. We good? Yeah. See ya. Light, please. Take your stop for me, please.
Bye.
My volcanoes?